Hello guys, welcome to another video of old methods. Today we will read about class 3, and for class 3 what kind of drug substance we are taking? We are taking the plants or the drug substances which are least juicy. Okay, so here mostly American plants and some European plants also used, and the fundamental rule is written under squilla. Now we will see how we will prepare the mother tincture, means what is the ratio between alcohol and plant, means drug substances. Okay, so here we are taking 2 parts of the alcohol and 1 part of the drug substances, means the ratio is 2:1. Okay, then we will see the requirements, what things we require to make a drug. Here you only guess what is the first thing. Simply as before, we need the selected drug substances. Okay, and the second thing is strong alcohol, because we are making mother tinctures. Okay, so coming to the utensils and apparatus, same as before: wooden chopping board, knife, porcelain mortar pestle, hornmade spatula, linen cloths, small beaker, another clean file with the non-porous velvet cork, glass funnel with stand, filter paper, balance, weight box, pen, paper, gum and scissor. Okay, same as before. Then we will see the procedures, important again. So what we will do, we will take the fresh plants and we will cut into small pieces with well polished steel knife. Okay, on a clean chopping board, and we will make pulp into in a mortar and pestle. Okay, now what we will do, we will take the pulp and we have to weigh the pulp. क्या करेंगे, उस pulp को लेकर हम क्या करेंगे, उसको measure करेंगे कि उसका weight क्या आ रहा है, and taken in a glass jar. Okay, glass jar में we will keep that. What is the ratio? 1:2, means 1 part of the drug substances and 2 parts of the alcohol. So हमने glass jar में क्या किया, 1 part we took drug substances and 2 part we will add strong alcohol. Okay, at first powder is moistened with 1/6 part of the alcohol, and the moistened drug is put into a stoppered bottle and rest of the alcohol is added. सेम फर्स्ट क्या करेंगे, जो ड्रग सब्सटेंस है, एज हमने क्या पढ़ा कि इट इज़ द लीस्ट जूसी. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, फर्स्ट वी विल मॉइशन द ड्रग सब्सटेंसेस. मॉइशन करने के बाद बाकी जो रिमेनिंग अल्कोहल होता है वी विल ऐड इनटू दैट. ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल मॉइशन विथ सम अल्कोहल एंड देन वी विल ऐड दैट अल्कोहल पूरा का पूरा. ठीक है, मीन्स previously we need to calculate what is the drug substances and what is the alcohol. जितना ड्रग लेना है उसका दुगना क्या लेना है, मतलब twice the amount लेना है alcohol. as the ratio we are studying 2:1, मतलब alcohol लेना है 2 part, drug substance लेना है 1 part, and the whole mixture is allowed to stand for 8 days. क्लास 1 भी हम 8 days रखे थे, क्लास 2 भी we kept for 8 days, and class 3 also we have to keep for 8 days in cool, dry, dark place. After this period the tincture is decanted. Okay, decantation मतलब क्या होता है, just we need to strain the supernatant fluid. बस जो supernatant fluid होता है उसको हमें अलग करना है without disturbing the sedimentation. जो sedimentation हो रहा होगा उसको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है, सिर्फ उसका जो सुपरनेटेंट फ्लूइड होगा उसको निकालना है. दैट इज कॉल्ड डिकांटेशन. एंड देन आफ्टर वी विल स्ट्रेन थ्रू द न्यू लिनन क्लॉथ. ठीक है, स्ट्रेनिंग मतलब काइंड ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन हो रहा है. ओके, सो ऑलवेज यू रिमेंबर वन थिंग, डिकांटेशन शुड बी प्रायर टू द फिल्ट्रेशन. ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल डिकांट एंड देन वी विल फिल्टर. ओके, थ्रू अ न्यू लिनन क्लॉथ एंड फिल्टर. Then it is poured into a clean phial with the best quality of new non-porous velvet cork. क्या करना है, डिकांट हो गया, इसके बाद फिल्ट्रेशन कर लेंगे, हमारे पास मदर टिंचर आ गया, और वो मदर टिंचर को हम क्या करेंगे, एट लास्ट अच्छा सा एक बॉटल हम जो लिए होंगे उसमें हम रख देंगे. We will keep that mother tincture into our bottle and we will label it properly. Okay, this is the procedure of how to make class 3 mother tincture. So now we will see how to calculate the drug power for class 3. So what we read, the ratio is 1:2. One part is your medicinal substance and 2 part is your vehicle that we are using is strong alcohol. Okay, so here what I read in class 2 is there is only medicinal loss but no vehicle loss. For class 3 we have both medicinal loss and vehicle loss. So medicinal substance loss in one part is 2/3. Okay, so इन वन पार्ट में कितना लॉस होता है, 2/3 पार्ट्स लॉस होता है. सो टोटल मेडिसिनल सब्सटेंस हम कितना लिए हैं, 1 पार्ट लिए हैं. सो फिर क्या होगा, लॉस क्या होगा, 2/3 होगा. सो अगर हम देखेंगे, नाउ वी विल सी द टोटल मेडिसिनल सब्सटेंस. टोटल मेडिसिनल सब्सटेंस हाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट, 1 part of the medicinal substance and 2/3 is the loss. Means 1 minus 2/3, that is 1/3 part total medicinal substance. This is the medicinal part. Then we will switch to vehicle part. So vehicle is your alcohol and vehicle में for vehicle loss in one part is 1/6 part. Okay, for vehicle loss in one part is 1/6 part. So total amount of vehicle in class 3 is 2 parts. So for 2 parts it is 2 into 1/6, that is 1/3 part. Okay, so loss is 1/3 part but total vehicle how to calculate, 2 part means total 2 part minus 1/3 part, that is 5/3 parts. Okay, so what we got here, we got our total medicinal part and total vehicle part. Now we will calculate the drug power. Drug power is amount of the drug divided by total amount of drug plus vehicle. So amount of the drug what we calculated previously, it is 1/3 and total is drug is 1/3 and vehicle is 5/3. We need to sum these two values. So 1/3 divided by 6/3, cross multiplication, we will get 1/6. So for class 3 the drug power will be 1/6. Okay, coming to the next important part, that is potentization. Repeatedly I am telling that what is the importance of the drug power. Here what we got, 1/6. 1/6 is only needed for preparing first potency for class 3. Here 2 scales are there. One is centesimal scale, one is decimal scale. For centesimal scale what we are taking, 6 parts of the drug substances and 94 part by weight of alcohol. Okay, and we will give 10 downward strokes. By this we will get first centesimal potency in class 3. Okay, for decimal scale what we will take, 6 parts of the drug substances and rest how much, 4 parts of the dilute alcohol, and again 10 downward strokes, we will get first decimal potency in class 3. Okay, this is the first potency, important because of we are taking it from drug power. Next subsequent potencies means 2x 3x. How we will prepare, in centesimal scale we will take 1:99 and in decimal scale we will take 1:9. Okay,